Fellow Nigerians, listen, it's a time we have to take responsibility because life is governed by principle. And once we understand the principles, there is so much that we can do with it and build upon. As it is, the current pandemic has taught us a few lessons. And one of the lessons is that we need to take the bull by the horn. As it is right now, we need to become those kind of people who will take what we have learned globally and use it locally. So my fantastic team and I have decided, with your permission, to launch what we call Technology Global Manufacturing. This will help us manufacture printing equipment here in Nigeria. We already have VESA, as you know, and VESA is for screen printers who do not want to expose using the sunlight. This is affordable and easy way of making sure that you can do what you have to do and do it as quickly and as efficiently so you won't lose customers. This initiative is supposed to also help us, especially with the working from home principle that we have now. We'll have some solar systems that we will manufacture here locally that we can use to power our work from home tables. You will have 24 hours electricity at home, and this will help us to ensure that you can work any time of the day from home or from work. And those who have anything to fabricate, remember that you can always call on this team. With your permission, let us launch what is called the new Technology Global Manufacturing. Watch out for it.